Okay, here's my new single serve coffee pot. Very easy to use. Plug it in. Don't hit that yet. You are going to want to unlock that. Put your water in, your coffee. Shut it back. Then you push this. Tops 3 minutes. Here's my cute little coffee mug that I actually got today. Look how cute that is. But if you want a bigger one and need a bigger one, you can take this off. It unscrews really easily and it doesn't take away anything. It's still there. And that's it. Super, super simple, really light, so you can take it anywhere, put it anywhere, store it really, really easily. That's it. I like it.